Hey everybody, this is CHEWY from Off Leash Canine Clarksville, Tennessee in Nashville. Here we have Betty Lou. She is a 1-year-old Belgian Malinois. She comes here for our 1-week board train package that has the heel attached to it. Her brother came here and got trained by my brother-in-law Jake. So she's here to get trained also because she is a Malinois. She's a wild girl. She kind of goes after her brother a little bit too much, gets really nippy, kind of showing that social dominance stuff. She doesn't really listen that well. She pulls on a leash super hard, so that's why that leash is included. So she's going to be around my guy Mosh Pit, as you can see right now. So we kind of use him as an example. Hi, pretty girl. And let's see what she knows so far. Betty Lou, can you sit? No. Can you down? Hey, can you down? No. How about place? Can you get on place? No. So as you can see, she just showed up here. She's kind of just checking everything out, getting introduced to Mosh Pit. So check back in this short week and see how this beautiful girl does. How you do? Hey, good girl. It's okay. Good job.
Darkness is so cold. let you say you're next. Save your breath, look out, don't lose your head. Strong walls are falling, angels are calling, armies are rising, there's no denying. I got that royal blood, burning bridges one by one, walking with giants that won't back down. My kingdom is rising, I'm coming for the crown. Coming for the crown. Coming for the crown. Watch your back, watch where you go, your trap. Looking glass, no chance of